Welcome, boys and girls. Today, this is your speaking and listening lesson of your lesson today. So, we're going to continue with the story and the personal narrative that you were reading with Miss Puentes called My Story. That's about Rosa Parks. And we're going to create a quick report and just really think about why she added those details and those specific quotes in her story. So again, as I said, we're still continuing the details chart that you use with Miss Puentes, and we're going to go over the details, just the details. This section. You're only going to need this section of the chart to complete your closed reading report on the next slide. So let's take a look at that. So you're going to choose a detail that interests you from the list on the board, which is the chart we just looked at, and prepare a brief answer to your questions here, to the questions I gave you. So let's look at the questions. What details most interest you? So you're going to go to the previous slide. And out of these two, the bus driver didn't check who the bus driver was, and the other passenger sitting in the middle section of the bus. You're going to pick between those two to figure out which one most interests you. Once you pick that, you're going to use your inferring skills to wonder and to think about why Rosa Parks included this in detail. So why do you think she included these specific details in her personal narrative, her story? The my story, and then explain why you made this inference. So it's basically giving evidence of why did you think that, what from the story made you make that inference. So you're going to complete that within this slide. Okay, once you complete all three of those questions, you're done with your speaking and reading section of your lesson. Now make sure you take your time, really use your inferencing skills, and I know that you will do great. Good job.